Welcome to the beautiful Disneyland Hotel in Paris. My name is Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we're exploring one of the Castle Club signature suites and going over all the details to give you a complete look at what this amazing 5-star hotel has to offer. Before booking, remember to contact the Vacationeer for exclusive rates, insider knowledge like how to get tickets included with your stay, and concierge services that you won't find anywhere else. Reach out today to secure the best value on your next Disney vacation. Now, without further ado, let's jump right in and tour the suite. Stepping up to the Castle Club represents the pinnacle of the Disneyland Hotel experience, beginning with the signature service of your Vacationeer advisor to curate every high-end detail of your stay. Upon arrival, you'll bypass the standard lobby entirely for a private check-in on the 3rd floor where the atmosphere shifts to one of total exclusivity. These rooms are centrally located in the heart of the hotel, offering the most direct access to the private elevator that whisks you straight down to the Disneyland Park entrance. Inside, your room is a regal sanctuary featuring upgraded amenities and the most coveted views in the resort. The heart of this category is the Castle Club Lounge, where you'll enjoy a gourmet breakfast buffet every morning in the company of Disney characters, a signature daily tea time, and an open bar for soft drinks throughout the day. You'll also have a dedicated 24/7 concierge team at your service, and it is quite simply the most upgraded and exclusive way to experience Disneyland Paris. While there are several immersive themes for the signature suites, including Rapunzel, Sleeping Beauty, Frozen, and Cinderella, this is the spectacular Beauty and the Beast suite. Each one features unique elements like a magical nighttime setting that activates theme props around the room, such as this glowing enchanted rose. As you enter, you're greeted by a dedicated storage wall housing the room safe and thoughtful amenities like a full-size umbrella and shoehorn. Just off the entry is the first of 2 access points to the bathroom. This is a brilliant layout for those utilizing the living room as a sleeping area, as it provides bathroom access without needing to enter the primary bedroom. This side of the bath features a vanity with open storage, a toilet, and a bidet. Stepping into the expansive living room, you'll find a functional sanctuary with a cozy sitting area and fireplace to relax in after a long day in the parks. The large sofa converts into additional bedding and offers convenient access to outlets, USB ports, and master lighting controls. Across from the seating area, a decorative fireplace sits below a cabinet housing the hidden smart TV. When you arrive at your suite, you'll have chilled bubbly awaiting your arrival, as well as exclusive gifts unique to this suite category. The collectible hotel key was easily one of our favorite keepsakes from the trip. In the corner, a refined wet bar features the Lavazza coffee maker, a hot water kettle for tea or cocoa, and a mini fridge restocked daily with water, juices, and premium snacks. Moving into the bedroom, the space opens up to include a king-size bed with upgraded linens, honestly some of the comfiest we experienced on the whole trip. The bed is flanked by decorative nightstands and master controls for the reading lamps and magical nighttime effects. A bench at the foot of the bed and ample underbed clearance provides plenty of room for luggage storage. Next to the bed, a vanity doubles as a writing desk with hidden outlets, a drawer to tuck things away, and even more unique guest gifts. A plush reading chair is tucked in the corner, and a small dining table stands ready for family activities or late-night room service treats. Directly above is the flat panel smart TV, which is elegantly hidden behind mirrored glass. For those traveling with tiny royalty, a crib can also be requested to ensure everyone sleeps soundly. After using the unique second entry into the bathroom, you'll find a large double vanity with a large ornate mirror. It's fully equipped with a magnifying mirror, upgraded bath products, and a curated amenity kit. Down below, you'll find those plush slippers and a bathroom scale. Directly across, you'll find the large jacuzzi soaking tub. This is the perfect way to end a long day in the parks. Whether it's the adults taking a soak or just chucking the kiddos in for their nightly bath, this is a great option for so many families, and you even have a curated set of bath salts to enjoy your soak. Beside it, a spacious step-in shower features a rainfall head and a handheld wand and daily refilled premium amenities. Storage is abundant here as well, with hanging space, a wall of drawers where you'll find the upgraded Dyson hairdryer, completing the spa-like atmosphere, and a dressing area with a large mirror, a heated towel rack, and those comfy rows for both adults and children. As a signature suite guest, your view will overlook either the serene Fantasia Gardens or the coveted Sleeping Beauty Castle. No matter which view you choose, you are just steps away from the Castle Club Lounge to enjoy gourmet dining and exclusive character interactions throughout your stay. I did want to mention select suites in this category also offer connecting capabilities. This is a fantastic option for larger groups looking to create a massive shared royal residence. Beyond your accommodations, the Disneyland Hotel invites you to live out your own fairy tale. The true luxury of the Disneyland Hotel is its location. It serves as the gateway to Disneyland Park. You are quite literally just steps away from the turnstiles, meaning you can transition from your breakfast table to Main Street, USA in mere minutes. For families, this proximity is a game changer. It offers the freedom to easily pop back to the room for a midday nap, a quick outfit change, or a quiet break away from the crowds, all without missing a beat of the magic. Located inside the hotel is delicious gourmet French cuisine at Le Table des Lumières, or you can feast like royalty at the Royal Banquet. You can unwind with a signature cocktail at the Fleur de Lis bar, take a refreshing dip in the sun-drenched crystal pool, or stroll through the serene Fantasia Gardens. And for the youngest guests, the Royal Kids Club offers magical storytelling and private character encounters that they'll never forget. Ready for the grand tour? Dive into our full resort guide or check out the videos touring the other room and suite categories on our channel for an inside look at every enchanted corner of this 5-star masterpiece. And to make the most of your Disneyland Paris vacation, reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link down below to get started. We handle every detail of the planning so you can just simply sit back, relax, and soak up every bit of the Disney magic. This is Taylor from the Vacationeer, and if this tour helped you envision your next royal getaway, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it with all your Disney friends.